Hello again, everybody, and welcome to another segment of Let's Draw Cartoons with Rick. Today, we're going to draw a silly dinosaur. So, let's get our pencils out and start drawing. So, first thing I'd like to do is, I like to start with the eyes. So we'll do two circles kind of touching each other. We'll put dots in the middle and put a line over each. Then we're going to draw the top of this dinosaur's head. And then we'll do a little line that comes this way. And then we're going to do a big line that comes all the way down and then curls out and then comes back. Let's do the rest of his face. The line that comes in and then comes back and then down. And then we'll draw the bottom of his head. And then we're going to draw his legs. So let's do sort of like a rectangular shape on one side. Do another rectangular shape there. Let's connect that line so it's there. And we'll draw his little belly. And let's do the other legs. One there and one there. And we're going to give him sort of like elephant toes, which are just little half ovals that come along like that. And then we're going to draw a line from where his mouth is to where the leg is. We'll do the same thing from the leg to the other leg, and then from this back leg to the bottom of the tail. Next, we're going to do these like plates that are sticking out. And they kind of look like diamond shapes. We're going to start off a little bit small, and then as we go up his back, we make the diamonds a little bit bigger. And they get even bigger when they get to the top. And then when you start going back down his back, we're going to make them go small again. So they're kind of like these diamond-shaped, squarish like plates coming down his back. And we leave a little space at the bottom because at the bottom of his tail, there's going to be a couple of spikes hanging up his tail. Next thing we'll do is we're going to give him some nostrils so he can breathe. So a couple of nostrils there. And then on his back, we're going to give him like just these odd, random, roundish shapes. They're kind of like islands of color. You're going to color these. So we're going to go all the way around and make them different shapes and kind of randomly place them around his body. And this would be like the pattern on his skin. We'll do that all the way around. And then let's give him some wrinkled knees, because that's where he bends his knees. So a couple of curved lines in there. Then we'll add some few stones and a little ground that he's walking on. And then we're going to add some wavy lines coming off of him. And at the top of the wavy lines, we're going to add little flies, which are just dots with a couple of ovals. And this silly dinosaur that we're making, I'll write his name right under him. He is the very rare Stinkosaurus. So he's a very stinky dinosaur. And there you go. That's how we draw a very silly dinosaur. So make sure you check your email for the next segment of Let's Draw Cartoons with Rick, or you can go to the archives and watch a lot more videos on how to draw all kinds of fun and silly cartoon characters. Thanks for coming by. We'll see you next time.